Alright guys, welcome back to episode 5 of investing $100 into our WeBull account. WeBull account is still sitting right behind us, and at the moment we are currently sitting at about maybe like $450 with $100 still left over to trade for next week. So for this week we picked up something a little smaller than we've been picking up. We've been picking up in around the 80-90 range, somewhere around there. Today we only picked up about $50 worth of a stock. So today we picked up Coke. Coke is currently trading at about $48. We picked it up at $47. I can prop up the chart for you guys right now. And yeah, a couple things I like to say about Coke. Coke pays a dividend. They pay about maybe 2.3% of the current stock. So it comes out being about maybe like 40 cents per share. So that's really good. So that's definitely going to help us compound interest on our account. They pay a dividend. They're still down about maybe 20% from the initial February, March type area where everything did drop about 20. And so they're still holding down there. So I believe they still have a lot of room to come back up, and they're really doing really good. They're still a really good company to have in your portfolio. They have a really good position where they are, as where when people start rotating out of tech stocks, they're definitely going to move more into consumer goods. So that's going to be for Walmart, Target, Coke, all of these companies that make consumer goods or that sell consumer goods. Those are definitely going to be some of the winners once people start rotating out of tech a little bit. But even if they don't immediately, we have Coke for the long term. So Coke is definitely going to be one of those that we keep in our account for a long time. And we're definitely going to be picking up more as time goes on. But for this week, we did want to pick up something small so that we can have more money for next week. Next week will be the Apple 4-to-1 split. So once they split, we're going to try to pick those up the same day that we can get them. They should be trading about 125, 130, somewhere in that range. And we have, at the moment, adding next week, we have about like maybe 160, somewhere around there for our trade. So we'll definitely be able to pick one of those up. And then for the week after that, we also do want to pick up a Tesla if we can. But I believe those are going to be trading about like $300, $400 still. But they're definitely going to be one where you want to strive towards, because they're definitely a good company. They're both definitely good companies. And I want to show you guys some of our past portfolio. So currently we have the VYM, which is up. The Starbucks is up. The Rocket Mortgage is up. Redfin, AMD, all of them. The only loser we currently have in the portfolio is going to be Snapchat. Snapchat is just a little bit down. It's not terrible. We are down maybe about like $3, $2, somewhere around there. But I can show you guys the entire portfolio right now. And for next week, we should be sitting at about $600 in total in this portfolio. The portfolio itself is up about $50 in total. So the account is sitting at about $450 minus $100 that needs to get through. And then, so our account is up about maybe 10%, because that is $550. So we're up about 10% on the account overall, which is really good for me. I really don't mind. This is an account for the long term. So we are just looking ahead. Make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe down below, and catch you guys in the next one.